Here we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil service reminder. Here we have a 2019 Ford F-150. You're going to be using the buttons here in the steering wheel, up and down, exit, OK. So that's pretty straightforward there. So here what we're going to do is we're going to press the arrow to go to the left, then scroll down to settings, then press OK on the steering wheel. Then on advanced settings, if you're not there, just scroll down to advanced settings, press OK again, and then select vehicle. And then here you can see oil life reset. Percent oil life is 16%. What we're going to do here, we're going to press OK on the steering wheel on the left side, and then we're just going to hold it. And there it is, 100%. That's it. Thanks for watching.